This is lesson 5, quantifiers. We use how many with plural countable nouns. It is usual to use this in questions. For example, how many sweet potatoes are there? Here is another example. How many lemons are there? We use how much for uncountable nouns. We use this usually in questions. For example, how much milk is there in the fridge? Here is another example. How much yogurt do we need? We use a lot of for both uncountable and plural countable nouns. For example, there are a lot of grapes in the bowl. Grapes is a plural countable noun. There is a lot of water in the bottle. Water is an uncountable noun. We use a few for plural countable nouns. For example, there are a few carrots for the cake. Carrots is a plural countable noun. Here we have a different example. There are a few apples in the fridge. Apples is a plural countable noun. On the other hand, we use a little for uncountable nouns. For example, there is a little oil for making French fries. A little works with oil, which is an uncountable noun. Let's take a look at another example. There is a little sugar to make a cup of coffee. A little works with sugar, which is an uncountable noun. We use not many for plural countable nouns and in negative sentences. For example, there aren't many potatoes for lunch. Let's take a look at another example. There aren't many sandwiches left. On the other hand, we use not much for uncountable nouns in negative sentences. For example, there isn't much salt left. Let's take a look at another example. There isn't much cheese to prepare a quesadilla. This is the end of lesson 5. Thank you for listening.